Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma on Friday inaugurated the first edition of the Indian Sailing League at Umiam Water Sports Complex, aimed at promoting Meghalaya as a hub for tourism and international sporting events. The 5-day event, featuring 14 teams and 182 participants, including 58 international sailors, is being organized by the State Tourism Department in collaboration with sailing bodies. Addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma said the initiative is a part of long-term vision to develop Umiam and boost the state's global appeal. He highlighted ongoing infrastructure improvements, expansion of Shillong Airport, and upcoming hospitality projects. Tourism Minister Timothy D. Shira and other dignitaries attended the program, which included cultural performances and the ceremonial launch of the race. The league is expected to strengthen Meghalaya's profile as a destination for water sports and international events.
Tourists coming here, clicking some pictures, and that would be the end of the overall activity that would happen in and around this place. And so we made a very conscious decision that we will work and plan things in such a manner that we should be able to unlock the tremendous potential that lies in and around this particular venue. And so the journey began. Many activities took place. Many individuals got involved. And I am extremely happy to see the kind of work that has unfolded. Colonel Yadav and his team have done extraordinary work. Cyril and his team have supported and helped them to make this particular first Indian Sailing League a possibility. So let's have a round of applause for them. Friends, as a government, there are many activities and many programs, many festivals, many leagues that we organize. But we ensure that the larger messaging that we want to send to the people is clear to everyone, and we want to ensure that the larger purpose of the goal of one particular activity helps in achieving that particular larger goal that we have. And so for the last 8 years, we have been trying to build up infrastructure, trying to build up capacity, trying to build up our overall technical knowledge, trying to build up different programs, different schemes, different events to create that larger picture of Meghalaya and Shillong as a true destination for different activities and tourism.